How to download and install Facebook Messenger on iPhone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install the Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and find App Store on your home screen. Once you find it, tap on it. Here you can see search, tap on search, and in the top type in Messenger and hit search. Here you can find the official Messenger app. This is the official Messenger app. Just tap on this install button, as I have already installed before, so it's showing this icon. But in your case, if you are downloading for the first time, it will also install and you'll need to sign in with your Face ID or Apple ID. Now wait for a few minutes. Once it's installed, tap on this open right here, tap on it, and that's it. This is how you can download and install Facebook Messenger on iPhone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.